Hello guys, today I will show you what this animal insect is. This is called a seagull. It is not a seagull, seagull. Tell me if you can pronounce that. So it is very, very cool looking. And tell me if you can hear that noise. Yeah. So I'll show you if you couldn't hear that noise there. I'll show you another in a different part of the video. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, that is how it is, and it is just beautiful. It's like it looks so nice. So yeah, there. I also have other things that I can show you. So if you come down to the tennis courts, you start to get the sound better because you're near the olive trees. Look, you hear that sound? It's like so loud and stuff. So yeah, that's what I want to show you. And you know how to make that sound? By rubbing their wings. They rub their wings a lot. That's how they make that sound. And they only rub their wings when they are hot. So you will never ever see them. You never hear them or see them when it is cold outside. So, yeah, they look very cool. And I've never seen one until I found this one. Very hard to spot because they're like kind of blend in right with the tree. Tell me if you can see it. Do you see it? I put the blur on. So, tell me if you can see it. Now if you go a little closer, it'll be easier. Oh, yeah. Tell me if you can see it. Right there. It is right there. So yeah, it's very cool. And yeah, that's what I want to show you. See you later, guys. Bye.